Season marinate for 2 days.
Hey, fanatics, welcome. It's your girl Mel. I hope you guys are doing well. Coming up in this video, I have some Shenseea updates. Guess what Shenseea cooked for the first time? I also will be sharing a makeup routine, a new tattoo, and Shenseea lifting up a woman. Yes. Have you ever pictured Shenseea lifting up a woman? Well, I have a clip of Shenseea doing so. So watch this clip and let me know what you think in the comment section. Was seen cooking roast beef for the first time. The meal looked quite simple but tasty. Watch for yourself and let me know what you think in the comment section.
Hot roast beef for the first time and I let it season and marinate for 2 days. Well seasoned, yes, hear that? Pure flavor. Veggies, because I love veggies. Brussels sprouts, squash, carrots, cauliflower, because I really love cauliflower. Also broccolini, potatoes. I'm about to do some soft cheesy potatoes. That's garlic salt. Turning my meat right now. Saute, baby. Add some soy sauce, all-purpose seasoning, dressing. Gotta drink some wine. Then take it out. Somebody come look at this. Look at that. Oh, well done. Yes, ma'am. That sauce, don't play with it. Creamy, cheesy. Oh, love. I'm in love. Let me tell you something. My first time, fire.
In another update, Shenseea recently got a brand new tattoo of her Shenyang symbol. For those who didn't know, Shenyang is the name Shenseea gives her fan base, similar to how Nicki Minaj has the Barbs.
Welcome to singer-songwriter Shenseea. Welcome to the game.
Last but not least, here is a get ready with me clip from Shenseea. You have made it to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend about our channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace, I'm out.